Hello students, so in today's session we are going to deal with the last topic of the 6th A group element, that is oxoacids of sulfur. So the element known to have maximum number of oxyacids is nothing but sulfur. So that means sulfur is having maximum number of oxyacids. So oxyacids of sulfur are divided into 4 types. What are the 4 types? Sulfurous acid. What is the formula for sulfurous acid? H2SO3. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Pyrosulfuric acid, H2S2O7. It is also called as oleum. And peroxodisulfuric acid, H2S2O8. So here the central atom of sulfur, okay, here the central atom of sulfur undergoes sp3 hybridization with tetrahedral geometry around it. That means each oxyacids of sulfur has 2 OH groups. Okay, each oxyacids of sulfur has 2 OH group and its basicity is 2. Understand? So now we are going to see the structures of these 4 types of oxyacids of sulfur. So see the structure of sulfurous acid. What is the central atom here, children? Sulfur. Yes. So here sulfur, which is having 2 lone pair of electrons. What I said? Each sulfur is joined with 2 OH groups, I said. So here one OH group and here one OH group. And another, how many oxygens are there? 3. So 2 are completed. Another one is double bonded. Okay. You can draw the structure like this, or you can show the structure like this. Having 2 lone pair of electrons, one OH group here, one OH group here, and a double bond O. Okay. You can write 2 forms. Okay, in these 2 forms. So here the oxidation state of sulfur, here the oxidation state of sulfur will be 4. Understand, children? So sulfurous acid, in this the central atom is sulfur, which is joined with 2 hydroxyl groups on either side and one double bonded with oxygen. Either you can write this structure or you can draw this structure. Next we are going to move the sulfuric acid. The structure of sulfuric acid. What is the formula, children? H2SO4. So here the oxidation state. So here the oxidation state will be plus 6. This is plus 4. This is plus 6. So what I said, the central atom is sulfur. Okay. The central atom is sulfur. How many OH? How many hydrogens are there? 2. So each hydrogen is bonded with another oxygen. OH on either side, and how many oxygens are left? 2. So 2 oxygens are double bonded like this. Understand, children? Yes. So this is the structure of H2SO4. Next comes to pyrosulfuric acid. Next one is pyrosulfuric acid. What is the formula? H2S2O7. It is also called as oleum. Okay, here the oxidation state will be plus 6. Here 2 sulfurs are there. So here the oxidation state will be plus 6. Yes. So here only one sulfur. Here 2 sulfurs are there. So plus 6. So what is the structure here, children? The structure will be 2 sulfurs will be present here. They both were bonded with one oxygen. On either side OH groups will be present. Yes. And each sulfur is again bonded with 2 oxygens. So count how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. Oxygen 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and 2 sulfurs. So this is the structure of pyrosulfuric acid. Next comes to peroxodisulfuric acid. What is the formula, children? H2S2O8. H2S2O8. So here the oxidation state of sulfur is, here also same, plus 6. H2S2O8 oxidation state here in the sulfur for sulfur is plus 6. So here same like this structure only. So 2 sulfurs, take 2 sulfurs, 8 oxygens are there. So here in the middle 2 oxygens will come. On either side 2 hydroxyl groups, OH groups, and each sulfur is again bonded with 2 oxygens. Yes. So this is about peroxo disulfuric acid. So what did you learn in oxy acids of sulfur? The element known to have maximum number of oxy acids is sulfur. That means it is having maximum number of oxy acids, and it is of 4 types: sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid, pyrosulfuric acid, peroxo disulfuric acid. And the formulas are H2SO3, okay, H2SO4, H2S2O7, H2S2O8. So what I said, it is observed that the central atom sulfur undergoes sp3 hybridization with tetrahedral geometry around it, and each oxy acids of sulfur has 2 hydroxyl groups. That means each sulfur is having on either side 2 hydroxyl groups, and its basicity is 2. So these are the structures, and oxidation number also I have given, oxidation state of sulfur, okay, here. And I think you remember that how to find this oxidation state. Okay, so this is about oxo acids of sulfur. Thank you, children.